Welcome back. Defence Minister Manohar Parrikar has a huge task ahead. A ministry having a budget as big as 2,29,000 crores, almost 23 times bigger than Goa state budget. The defence has plans like acquisition of new weapon systems, development of railway system in border areas, enforcement of one rank one pension, construction of war memorial and modernization of border infrastructure, besides implementing PM Modi's Make in India plan in defence sector. Parrikar's job begins from day one. Watch special report.
But I won't allow the country to be defenseless against the enemy, that be assured.
IITian and technocrat Manohar Parrikar is Defence Minister now. Now, on the national scene, he has a huge and tough task ahead. A task almost 23 times bigger comparing the Goa state budget size. As part of military modernization drive, Modi government has allocated 229,000 crore rupees for the Defence Ministry. The plan includes a total of 94,588 crores for the acquisition of new weapon systems. This includes a sum of 1,000 crore rupees for accelerating the development of railway system in border areas. The government intends to streamline the acquisition processes for making it speedy and more efficient. The government has also set aside a sum of 1,000 crore rupees to do away with anomalies in pensions paid to ex-servicemen under the one rank one pension policy. The government also plans construction of a war memorial and museum at the Prince's Park near the India Gate and allocated a sum of 100 crore rupees. Government has also earmarked 1,000 crore rupees for modernization of border infrastructure. The defence deals worth thousands of crores are to be executed. Defence projects worth 80,000 crore rupees include procurement of 6 indigenous submarines costing about 50,000 crore rupees and over 8,326 Israeli anti-tank guided missiles worth 3,200 crore rupees. The army will also purchase 329 launchers for the missile. 12 Dornier surveillance aircraft with enhanced sensors will also be bought at a cost of 1,850 crore rupees. The government has also decided to buy 362 infantry fighting vehicle for 662 crore rupees. The Navy currently has 13 operational submarines and the target is set to have 24 by 2030. Besides implementing Prime Minister Modi's Make in India plan in defence sector, Parrikar will have to find solution to control accidents to the Navy's ships and trainer jets. Compared to running a state with a population of just 15 lakhs, economy of 35,000 crores and a budget size of 10,000 odd crores, it's a humongous task ahead of Manohar Parrikar to keep all the 3 defence wings ready and geared to defend a country of 120 crore odd nationals. Bureau Report, Prudent.
BJP has preferred to stay mum on demotion of Shripad as Tourism Minister of State with independent charge to Minister of State. BJP State President Vinay Tendulkar said he is happy with the portfolios allotted to Shripad and Manohar Parrikar in the Union Govt. Defence Minister Manohar Parrikar is visiting Goa on Wednesday. He will address the BJP workers at Daboli and Panji.
साधारण 1-5 मिनटां एअरपोर्टाचेर भायरूच जो आमी बारीकसो प्लॅटफॉर्म तयार करतात थंय ते कार्यकर्त्यांक मार्गदर्शन करतले आनी मागीर थंयच्यान रॅली सगळे कार्यकर्ते घेवन बरोबर मुख्यमंत्री सगळे मंत्री आमदार पक्षाचे पदाधिकारी हे सगळे आसतले आनी थंयच्यान तांकां मागीर साधारण 5 वरांचेर ते हांगासर कार्यालया कडेन येतले आनी हांगासर तेंचे परत सगळ्या उत्तर गोंयच्या कार्यकर्त्यां खातीर हांगासर आमी संबोधीत करतले.
When media questioned Tendulkar over Union Minister Shripad Naik's demotion and reshuffle of portfolios, Tendulkar refused to comment. He said state BJP is happy that Goa got 2 cabinet berths. State BJP also refused to comment on Siddesh Shripad Naik's sarcastic Facebook post.
कांयच म्हणपाचें ना तें केंद्रान कितें निर्णय घेतला आयुर्वेदा होमिओपॅथीक एवरीथींग आनी एक मोठे खातें दिल्लें आसा त्या हितूंतल्यान
State BJP is happy with that आयुष दिला म्हणून.
न्ही आमी दोगांयकूय प्रतिनिधित्व दिलां म्हणून आमी खूब खुशी आसा आय डोंट नो आय हॅव नॉट हर्ड अच्छा फेसबुक नो कमेंट
A reporter Mahesh Kadi with video journalist Dinesh Karpe for Prudent.
We'll take a short break here. Stay tuned.